Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how I make a bow for a patriotic wreath. So let's start by making the tails of the bow. So I will use 2 pieces of ribbon. They measure about 12 inches each. Okay, so here I'm just going to measure one side of the ribbon just to show you how much it measures. So it's about 6 inches, so it'll be 6 on each side, so it's about 12 inches a piece. So now we're gonna add the loops. Each loop, it should be around 5 inches. So a little smaller than the tails of the bow. So what I'm doing here, I'm just putting the loop and then twist, and then do the other side and repeat the process. I'm doing a total of 3 loops on each side of the ribbon, the bow, I'm sorry. And then after that, I'm going to do a small loop. Measures about maybe 3 to 4 inches, which is going to be the loop that's in the middle of the bow. Okay, so now we're finishing up the bow. Just cutting the last piece, and remember the end, the last loop is supposed to be smaller than the rest of the loops, because this loop is going to be the one on top, the middle of the bow. So then you twist your pipe cleaner and tie the back of the bow. After I'm done tying the back of the bow, I'm just going to cut the ends of the tails of the bow, and then you're pretty much done. Okay, so here I'm just cutting out the 4 pieces. Okay, so now we just fluff the bow. Fluff each loop until you find a way that you like your bow. So this bow, I'm going to be using it for a oval patriotic wreath. I did a video on how I make the wreath. I will be posting that video after this one. If anyone is interested in watching the other video, you're welcome to do so. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more videos. I know I haven't posted any videos in a while. I'm trying to post more videos starting next month. Thank you so much for watching, and you all have a good day.